Today's story name is The Sandwich That Ran Away. Sammy the sandwich sat on a plate waiting for lunch. But Sammy didn't want to be lunch. "I want an adventure," he giggled. With a wiggle and a jiggle, Sammy rolled right off the plate. Roll, roll, he went bouncing across the kitchen floor. "Uh-oh," he giggled as he bumped into a big wooden chair. Splat, splat went a little bit of lettuce. But Sammy just kept rolling. He found an open door and rolled outside into the big green garden. "What a wonderful adventure," he whispered. He met a busy little ladybug. "Roll, roll," said Sammy. The ladybug just wiggled her antennae and kept walking. Next, he saw a big red watering can. "This looks like fun," he thought. He climbed up and slid down the spout. "Whee!" he giggled. But when he reached the bottom, he got stuck. "Oh no," he said. He wiggled and jiggled, but he couldn't get out. He felt a little bit lonely. A friendly little boy named Leo was playing in the garden. He saw Sammy the sandwich and giggled. "Mommy, look at the silly sandwich," he said. Leo gently pulled Sammy out of the watering can. "Do you want to play?" he asked. Sammy the sandwich was so happy to have a friend. "Giggle, giggle," he said. Sammy the sandwich learned that sharing adventures with friends makes every journey sweeter. And sharing a snack with a friend is the best adventure of all. Wow! Wasn't that an amazing story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so see you next time. Thanks for listening with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends.